Doing it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Thank you. That'll work. Yeah, I appreciate a copy of that. But anyway, so the other one I've actually have a screw into the side of the cover to balance it. And although I think the screw will stay there and you know, it'll work, I've got another batch of propellers coming that I want to see if they're drilled better. Here, take it out, Don.
And it should make them fly nice, I think. I mean, looks like it should fly. Oh, God. Yeah, it takes a minute and a half to put the baskets up. Each one, so it's like 9 minutes. But I got 2 keys, so I could, if I do 2 at a time, I could do it in 4.5 minutes. I got more keys, but you need more hands to hold them.
Oh, well, I would say we're here now.
Yeah, that's a...
We could have helped you. We would have worked with you.
It's no, but it's not a big deal. I think I'm the first one that's ever put them up, I think. Or not.
Since they were installed, probably.
Yeah, nobody uses it over here. They don't have any big games. If they did, they would have to put the side ones up. They don't have the seating really for huge games.
All right, come in. We can do a decent landing here.
Man, that's crazy. Just also